Hi, turn on the TV. Thank you. Bye.
Let's fill my headphones.
Okay, you promise?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. What's up guys? Today we're gonna do a Boxycharm unboxing. I have it right over here. We're just gonna open it up. We're kind of like cleaning out everything, so everything's everywhere and this table is literally a mess. So I have no idea where my unboxing knife is. We're just gonna use this. I kind of miss the unboxing knife. Whenever I don't use the unboxing knife, I feel like I want it to become tradition. I have no idea what's in this box, like zero idea. I've seen zero spoilers, so it makes me really nervous, but also a little bit excited, but more nervous than excited to open this, which is weird. So let's just open it and see what happens. Lashes? Those don't look like pretty lashes. Okay, sure, they're house lashes though, but they don't look pretty. Let's see, they have Laura Lee Los Angeles and Smashbox coupons on here. They've been doing lots of pamphlets now. It says life of the party. I almost thought it said life at the party, but it says life of the party, live it up. Cute picture. I see Laura Lee, and then, okay, just what's in here. I kind of really like the way this one looks. It's kind of like neon lights, see? Like the little colors here. Okay, so it's life of the party. Let's see what kind of crazy things we get, right? I'm gonna pull out the lashes first since I saw them first. They're House of Lashes, but just the style of it is definitely not something I would wear. It says they're in the style Bambi. That's interesting. I actually don't have any lashes on today, so I really shouldn't even put these on. I'm just gonna lay them on top of my eye and see how these look. I'm not the most happy about this. These are long. Oh my goodness. That'll be fun to try. Fun to try new styles, right? So we'll see that. See how much these cost. They're $9 to $12 depending on which one you got. Okay, so I guess they sent different styles out and I just happened to get this. Next in here is Essell, New York, organic infused age-defying nail treatment. I've only used one other thing from this brand and I actually got it in my Boxycharm and I freaking love it. It's like the liquid lipstick, which is more like a gloss, but it's amazing. And actually I have really bad like cuticles. They're really dry all the time, so this might be really good for me. Age-defying nail treatment essentials. This is $18, but it says it's a cuticle oil in there. Oh, it is a cuticle oil. It's a sweet almond cuticle oil. Amazing. I'm gonna use this right now. My nails are gonna look crazy shiny after this, but I love cuticle oils, but I'm a little concerned because it has almond oil in it and my boyfriend's allergic to almond oil, so is he just gonna hide out? That's really cool. I really like cuticle oils and I feel like this one's not like super oily. Sometimes I use a cuticle oil and I feel like an hour later I still feel like I'm just dipped my hands in cooking oil. So this actually feels really good. I'm starting to think I really need to try a Essell or a Desi product. This I am happy about. Let's see next in here. Ooh, I see a small palette in here and it looks like it's from Laura Lee. I think I'm gonna leave it for the end because I love palettes. There's this box, it says Bang Beauty. I have no idea what this is, just says Bang Beauty. Okay, let's see. Chocolate gel liner. The lid came slightly already like opened, so I'm worried about it drying out, and it's just a gel liner. It looks like this. It's pretty light to be honest, but that's cool. I do like gel liners. This is not the highest quality. If you can't, yeah, can you see how like warped everything is? I told you my table is messy, but you can see like how warped everything is. So let's see what the price is. $22. I feel like I haven't used the product yet, so I totally have no idea what I'm saying, but I feel like so far the quality of it For like $24, you can get the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Gel Eyeliner, and it's really good quality, like amazing. So I actually have to try this one out and see if the product actually is good or not. And I love eyeliners, mostly black eyeliners, but lately I have been using like brown eyeshadows to kind of just like throw on some type of definition on, so maybe I'll really like that. Next thing in here, I'm seeing the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick. Ooh, it's a lipstick. It looks like it's gonna be so brown. Oh my gosh. I actually feel like I've been really liking brown lipsticks, or like I really want to wear one in the fall, so this might be really good for that. And let's see. It says Studio Tip Dot on Lipstick with your finger for a lip stain effect. Okay. And it looks like this. Did I get that oil stain on it or did someone else? Anyway. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks pretty. Ooh, that looks pretty. That's so not gonna go with this look today, but I kind of really want to wear it. I feel like I totally should have used a lip liner, but I'm loving this. I love this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, a lip liner would have done me really well, but I really like the shade of this. Ooh, what is that hair doing? And it kind of reminds me of the Ofa Verona one, but like just a touch more red than this one is. This one's pretty brown, but I really do like this. This is really pretty. Might not go exactly, but I'm gonna leave it on. Next thing in here, again, I said I'm gonna leave the palette for the end. I don't know exactly what kind of palette it is, but I am seeing some type of masks in here. And these are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And they're these little things that you put under your eyes. This is pretty cool. I'm excited because they gave me 3 and not 1. So that means I can actually test it out, and I'll use one every week, I guess, and see if it actually holds its own. And that's the thing with getting like masks and makeup subscriptions. You only get one most of the time, and you don't know if it's doing anything because literally you're using it once. So like, cool. I'm excited to use these. Obviously I can't use it today, or not right now at least. And then last thing in here was the Laura Lee thing, and it just looks like this. It looks pretty. I really like the way it looks. This is Party Animal. How much was the... I didn't even tell you the prices, right? Beautiful oil was $18, chocolate eyeliner was $22, Smashbox lipstick was $21 to $24, and then the masks were $13, and then this is $19. We'll have to check the total of this box later, but this is the Laura Lee Party Animal eyeshadow palette. Hot damn, those are some vibrant colors. Drinks I'm really excited about. I really found out that I really like oranges, and then of course I just like all of these. Bottoms Up is the only one that is like, actually I think Hungover is like a satin, and then Bottoms Up is like a glitter, it looks like. We'll just do a quick swatch. This is Issa Party. I don't even think you can see that on my skin because I'm just yellow, but this was the yellow shade. And then I'm gonna go in with Damage Control, which is the light blue shade, which felt so much more buttery than the yellow one just now. There's a lot of fallout. There's a lot of fallout, and looks a touch patchy. Can you tell? This is not going well. Oh my. I'm just gonna put them on my arm and then stand up and show you them. Oh, that Damage Control, the light blue one, was definitely the most buttery so far, and then everything else kind of feels a little bit rough even. Colors are so pretty. Oh, I thought Drinks was gonna show up a lot better than that. I'm gonna do a second swatch of Drinks. I'm sure these wear differently on the eyes, especially. Swatches really don't do that much justice at all. Well, Bottoms Up is glittery but really pretty. Let's see Hungover. Oh my gosh, this Hungover feels so buttery. Interesting. Hopefully it's focused on my arm here. If you can see, this is the yellow. It's not too pigmented. The blue looks really patchy up here, and there was a lot of fallout. Maybe I had too much on my hand at the time. But the funny thing is that happened with the purple here too, which is hungover. And these two were the really buttery shades. Everything else kind of felt a little bit drier and rougher. And then the orange I actually swatched twice. I thought maybe like it wasn't as pigmented because of the swatch. But no, same thing happened. And then this one was really pretty. There was a bunch of glitter kick up though, but it's still really pretty. And I'm sure they wear differently on the eyes. I'm actually going out now, so like how am I supposed to go out like this? Looks like a watercolor tattoo, a bad one. Super excited to try this palette out on my eyes because I love colors. Definitely loving this lipstick so far. I love Essell, I think. 2 products out of 2 that I really like. And then I do like eyeliner, and I'm excited to try out the eye mask, especially because they gave us 3, so I can actually try it out 3 weeks in a row and see if there's any difference or if it's kind of just a waste of money. And then the House of Lashes. House of Lashes are a really good lash brand, but then these just don't look like the style that I would typically go for, but I'm definitely open to trying them out. I'll probably honestly try them out, like put them on my eyes and then rip them off and be like, yikes, that didn't go well. But you know, I'll try it out. So I actually have to go help move a bunch of furniture, and by help I mean look at people move a bunch of furniture, and then we're getting lunch after. So I gotta go get this off first. So I hope you enjoyed watching my videos. If you If you want to watch more of my videos, go ahead and click there, and if you want to subscribe, click up there. I think I kind of want to do like 2 videos, so like here, and then subscribe. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Videos, subscribe.